In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to show only Twitch comments and chats in Restream. So first of all, log into your Restream and click on channels, click on add channels, and from here make sure you have connected your Twitch account with your Restream. And then from home, click on create new stream, and here you'll find total 3 different options to create a new stream. One is using Restream Studio, another is using encoder like OBS Zoom app, and another is pre-recorded video. So in my case, I'm selecting here Restream Studio, and here I'm going to changing my name from here and giving a title, then clicking on enter studio without camera. Okay, once you are in your stream, Restream live dashboard, in here click on this channels option, and in channel must enable Twitch channel. And now let's enable another channel, for example cake. Then just close this window, and now I will show you how to show only Twitch chats and comments. So in this right hand menu, click on chat, and here click on this Restream drop down. And now to show only Twitch chats and comments, you have to select a Twitch account. Once you selected Twitch account, now in this chat window you will only get Twitch chats and comments. So that's how you can actually do it. Then just click on go live, and thanks for watching.